Going on, guys? It's Dave with Profishn, back with another unboxing video. So today got a big box from Carl's Bait and Tackle. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Ooh. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Come on, buddy.
Let's do this. Well, we're gonna cut this box open, see what we got here. Okay, we got some good stuff right off the bat. Like this stuff, we don't care about that. So what do we got here? We got the Googan Squad toolkit. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm liking that. That's pretty cool. Alright, so it looks like we got another box inside of a box. Imagine that. Well, Googan Squad. Let's see what we got here. Alright, so we got the thick flipping jig, 1/2 ounce, black and blue, the 5/0 hook. Not bad. Not bad at all. Then we got the Filthy Frog. Length is 2.5 inch, 5/8 ounce. Not bad. Then we got the Poppin' Filthy Frog. 2.5 inch, 5/8 ounce. Kind of like the colors on this one. Alright, what else we got? Ooh, we got the Juicy Casting Jig. 3/4 ounce, green pumpkin. The 6/0 hook. Oh, excuse me. Then we've got a set of 4/0 or a 5-pack of 4/0 hooks, hammer hooks. This will come in handy for hooking these up right here. The Bandito Bug 3.3 inch 9-pack watermelon red flake. Not bad, not bad at all. Put all this stuff back in the box. Then we got another box here. This one up. Alright, so we got the other box here. It's not labeled. Kind of weird. Don't want to open. Okay, here we go. What is this? Netco polyester microfiber? Oh, okay, it's a Googan Squad face mask. It's kind of neat. Then we got the Googan Squad sticker. Not bad. Alright, looks like another Filthy Frog. This one is 2.5 inch, 5/8 ounce. I don't see what, I mean, the color's a little bit different than the other ones, but not bad. Good to have backups. We got the Mini Banger. Diving depth is 1 to 4 foot, 2 inch, 1/4 ounce weight. Square bill crank. Not bad. I kind of like that. What do we got here? We got the Googan Squad Saucy Swimmers. 3.3 inch. Now those are nice. I've seen some other guys using these. I'm gonna put these to work at probably in my next video. We'll try them out. And then we've got a Zinger spinnerbait, white. It's 3/8 ounce, Colorado number 2, and a Willow number 4 for the blades. It's pretty nice looking. Put that to use with them saucy swimmers. And then the last piece we got here is, let me get it out the bag. It's like a plastic. This is a Grass Hero swim jig, 3/8 ounce, chartreuse white, the 4/0 hook. That's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. Put all that back in the box here. A lot of cool stuff in this box. Go ahead, close that up. And then we got one more box here. Move that out of the way. I'll pull this out on this end up. All right, so get that bubble wrap off of there. So, looks like they sent another rod. I think this is, yeah, this is a single rod. That's nice. I'll put my bait caster on this one. Oh yeah, this is a nice one. Real nice. I like this. Well, I'll put that right there. Well guys, that's it for this unboxing. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then hit the little bell down there, turn on your notifications. That way, every time I put out a new video, YouTube will notify you, because you don't want to miss these. I mean, this is some awesome gear. I really like this gear that I got this time. This is pretty good stuff. So, just want to thank everybody for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.